Astronomy Unit Test. Number 1. The Hertzsprung-Russell diagram shows how the Sun is classified among the stars. You have the Sun, supergiants, giants, main sequence, white dwarf. Luminosity, temperature. A star that is much bigger than the Sun, with a temperature lower than 4,000 Kelvin, would be classified as B. Supergiant, C. Main sequence star in spectral class K or M, or D. White dwarf. Much brighter than the Sun, with a temperature lower than 4,000. Number 2. What percentage of stars are closer to the Earth than our Sun? F0, G25, H50. Number 3. A student learns that the Sun is classified as a medium-sized star and that many stars are much bigger and brighter. However, the student observes that other stars look very dim, even through a telescope. Why does the Sun look much brighter than the other stars? Why is the Sun brighter than other stars? B. The Sun is much closer to the Earth than other stars. C. Other stars are made up of different gases than the Sun. D. As light from other stars travel through space, it gets reflected. Why is the Sun much brighter than other stars? 4. A new star was discovered with 7 rocky planets orbiting around it. This mini-solar system is 44 light-years away from Earth. How long will it take the crew of astronauts to fly to this new solar system if they were traveling at speed of light? 4 years, 4.4 years, or H, 44 years. Number 5. What force holds all galaxies together? A. Light, B. Gravity, C. Weight. You're going to use this diagram here for questions 6 through 10. We have luminosity or brightness on this side. You have temperature on the bottom. You have the colors at the top. Supergiants, Betelgeuse, giants, main sequence with our Sun right there, and white dwarfs. Number 6. Stars that are very hot and dim can be classified as F. White dwarfs, G. Main sequence, H. Supergiants. Very hot and dim. Number 7. Which is the most commonly found star on this diagram? B. Supergiants, C. Main sequence stars, D. White dwarfs. Most commonly found star. Number 8. Which group of stars is in the middle on brightness with lower temperatures around 2,500 Kelvin? Middle on brightness, lower temperatures around 2,500. Supergiants, giants, white dwarfs. Go back and look at the picture. Number 9. Still using the diagram above. What is the color of the stars with the highest and hottest temperatures? White, red, blue. What color is the highest and hottest temperature? Number 10. Betelgeuse compared to our Sun. So using the diagram above, Betelgeuse is right here, and our Sun is right here. Betelgeuse compared to our Sun is F, brighter and hotter, G, brighter and cooler, J, larger and hotter. Betelgeuse compared to our sun. Now we're done with that picture. Number 11. A light year is related to measuring A, distance, B, time, D, volume. Number 12. Investigators using a special telescope determined that an object was giving off waves with a frequency of 1.13 times 10 to the 14 hertz. So 1.13 times 10 to the 14. Using this chart right here, the investigators were most likely using a telescope that detects F, microwaves, G, X-rays, or J, visible light. 1.13 times 10 to the 14th power. Number 13. The table below shows the distances of 3 stars from the sun. Students were asked to make a model of the 3 stars and to include the sun and the earth in the model. They chose to use a scale of 1 meter is 1 light year. So we have stars and distance from the sun in light years. Star X, 9.4 away from the sun. Y, 10.4. Z, 10.8. Which of these models best represents this data? The sun and the earth, X, Y, Z. Same on the next two. Sun and earth, X, Y, Z. Sun and earth, X, Y, Z. 14. Which of the following conclusions can be made that all objects in the universe are moving away from each other? G, are hotter than our sun. H, are moving towards each other. All objects in the universe are what? Number 15. The 5 dots on the HR diagram below each represent a star. Based on its position, what can you tell about star V? We have luminosity, temperature. So luminosity is brightness. A, it is hot and bright. B, it is cool and bright. C, it is hot and dim. (16) In what order would you label the following galaxies? This one, and this one. What would you put here? The choices are elliptical, spiral, and irregular. H, spiral, elliptical, then irregular. Or J, irregular, elliptical, and spiral. Name those 3 galaxies. Number 17. Which of the following best describes the position of the sun and earth in our galaxy? B, we are located in the center of the Milky Way galaxy. C, we are located farther from the earth than any other star. Or D, it's located on the arm about halfway between the center and the edge of the spiral Milky Way galaxy. 18. Which list of components of the universe places these in order from smallest to largest? Smallest to largest. F, plants, planets. Stars, galaxies. G, stars, planets, galaxies. Or H, galaxies, stars, planets. Smallest to largest. Number 19. Optimus Prime applied a force of 220. and a 70 kilogram mass to the motorcycle that he throws at Megatron, what is the acceleration of the motorcycle? Force equals mass times acceleration. So calculate it, bubble it in on your sheet. Number 20. On the periodic table, which group of elements is the most reactive? Most reactive. You can look at a periodic table to see that. F, group 15, G, group 3, J, group 1. Which is most reactive?